equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on transitioning from the Thermomix TM5 to the Cookio. In this video, we will guide you through the necessary steps to ensure a smooth changeover. First, let's gather the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth for cleaning, and a small brush for those hard-to-reach areas. Having these tools ready will make the process much easier. Now, let's start by unplugging your Thermomix TM5. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely powered down before proceeding. Next, we'll remove the base of the Thermomix. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the 4 screws located at the base. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out. Once the base is off, you'll notice the internal components. It's essential to clean these parts thoroughly. Use your soft cloth and brush to remove any food residue or dust. This not only ensures optimal performance but also prolongs the life of your appliance. After cleaning, we'll move on to disconnecting the main unit from the base. This involves gently pulling apart the connectors. Be cautious here. If you're unsure, we can assist with pickup and delivery at your home, making it hassle-free for you. Now, let's prepare the Cookio for installation. Ensure it's clean and ready to go. You'll need to align it properly with the base of the Thermomix. This step is crucial for a secure fit. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer a quote before repair so you can make an informed decision. Once aligned, gently press down until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Now, let's reattach the base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, replace the screws you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened properly but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the unit. With the base secured, it's time to test your new Cookio. Plug it in and turn it on. You should see the display light up, indicating it's ready for use. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us. Remember, no calls, no travel. We can assist you right from your home. Finally, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Cookio's features. It's a powerful machine that can enhance your cooking experience significantly. With its user-friendly interface, you'll be whipping up delicious meals in no time. Thank you for following along with our tutorial. We hope this guide has made your transition from Thermomix TM5 to Cookio as smooth as possible. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.